Welcome back, my name is Teresa and I'm very much hands. Look at these boys go. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have a new unboxing. I'm extra air horny today, so, ooh, that was weird. Okay. Ooh, take two. I'm extra air horn. There's no way of coming back from that. Okay, hi. We have a new box today. We have the Look Fantastic beauty box for February 2021. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending me this my way. And thank you. Thank you for allowing me to give fun, honest opinions about your subscription box. I really appreciate that. I'm very excited. Anyway, if you do not know what Look Fantastic beauty box is, let me tell you a little bit about it.
The Look Fantastic Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box that delivers 6 curated beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60 to a global community of subscribers. A monthly box retails for $19.
Again, I want to say thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this my way. If you are interested in picking up this box, they did provide for me another code that y'all can use. And basically, if you use the link in the description box, you'll receive your first box for $1 when you purchase a 12-month subscription. Again, your first box will be $1 if you choose to purchase a 12-month subscription. And if you are interested, everything will be listed in the description box below. With that said, let's open this bitch up. Ooh, okay, so we get this nice little magazine thing, which we will look at later. I like to kind of get the pubes out of the way, you know what I mean? Actually, let me dump this shit out. Oops. Man down. All right. Ooh. My favorite. So let's talk about the first thing, and this is from the brand Balance Me. And this is the, I don't know if it's AHA, like, you know, the band AHA, or is it AHA? It's probably AHA. I can't imagine it being AHA. Whatever happened to AHA? Huh, anyway, this is a glow mask. The next thing is from a brand called Magnetone. Magnetone? I want to say Magneto. This is the Wipeout Wipes. Ooh, eco-friendly makeup removal pads. Sign me the fuck up, please. The next thing is from Illamasqua. And this is the Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. So ominous. Ooh. I don't even know what this is. What brand is this? Help, I need an adult. This is lid gloss. What the fuck does that mean? Galactic Lid Gloss? I have no idea. It has like a giant E. I feel like I've seen this brand name before. I just don't know what it is. Anyway, E, I don't know. Galactic Lid Gloss. Yeah, no, that's correct. Oh, this looks fun. Ooh. Bubble tea. This is strawberry macaroon hand and body butter. Oh God, let me see. Can I smell this? Oh yeah. Oh, okay. This smells like strawberry cookies. Weird thing about me, it smells like these one cookies that were kind of like knockoff Oreos, but they were like a vanilla cookie with like fake ass strawberry filling. When I was a child, I was disgusting and I would just eat the cream out of the cookies and I would put the cookie sandwiches back together and put it in the bag. You know why? Because I'm a piece of shit. But you know what? I don't care because I know my brother tried to eat one and it suited him right. Don't fuck with my cookies. Anyway, this is what this smells like. Reminds me of a better time before student loans. And last but not least, we have Illamasqua. Ooh, I love Illamasqua. And this is the Papaya Enzyme Peel. Ooh. Let's add up all these little bubbies. Here's the beautiful little magazine that you get. It comes chock filled with all these little stuff about things and I don't know, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, let's see what we can find out about this stuff. Oh man, I forgot. This is the one brand that doesn't have any fucking pricing in anything. God damn it. Instead, it's letting me know 10 books that'll help me feel inspired. Yeah, I'll pass. Let's start with this. So this is from the brand Ico. And I feel like I have seen this, I don't know whether it was at an Ipsy Generation Beauty or something like that, but I feel like that's where I've seen this brand. Anyway, this is the Galactic Lid Gloss and it's in the shade Zodiac. And I would like to open you up, you little bitch. Let's see, what is this? Oh, there's another fucking projective peel on it. You know, I don't have time for this shit today. I got fucking places to be. Where am I going? I'm not going anywhere. Who am I kidding? Ooh, that's glittery. Oh, did you see that burst out? Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. All right, let's see.
Yo, what the fuck? I did not expect that. Oh my god. Hello, bitch.
I don't know why I'm so aggressive today. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not. I don't give a shit. Look at this. Damn. All right, you know what? I'm sorry. I kind of want to fuck with this. This feels really nice. Sometimes with liquid products, I'll feel a certain kind of warmth because my skin's sensitive, but I don't feel any sort of warmth. So I think we might be in for the clear. All right, we're just gonna be obnoxious and leave this giant swatch on my hand. Fuck it, who cares? Anyway, don't know how much it is. I'm gonna pop it over here. Yay, right? Look at that. Yay. Okay. Oh, shit. All right, we're okay. That was a little touch and go, but we're fine. So the next thing is from Magnetone. Oh, these are soft. Oh my God. Ooh, these feel really nice. So these guys are 2 eco-friendly makeup wipes. I have to say, these are probably softer than face halos. These are really soft. Think of it like your most cherished stuffed animal. This is kind of what it feels like, which I don't know about you. I don't know how you feel about putting little Mr. Pooh Bears on your face, but hey, at least your face will feel good when you're taking your makeup off. This is actually really cool. I really like this. I can't wait to use this one. The price is this.
Ooh.
All right, so the next thing is from Illamasqua. Oh, this looks fun. She's a little dusty. It's okay. It's all good. What is this? Oh. First of all, that just looks so fucking unsettling. That's nightmare fuel. I don't know why. But it's making me uncomfortable looking into that. Like I'm expecting it to start pulsating and then it to like just jump out of the container and strangle me and then ultimately take over me and the whole world. I've been watching a lot of sci-fi movies lately, okay? Sue me. Anyway, so what the hell is this? This is a veil primer. I don't like that. Oh no. This is gonna take over the world. Why is it so flubbery? Okay. Oh, I don't know. Oh God. Okay, so first of all, I thought it was gonna be like a cream texture. Not so much. This is definitely like, think of like homemade pudding. You know when it has that skin on it and it's really fucking gross? Like that's what it feels like. But when I massage the pudding into my hand, it feels actually quite nice. I'm assuming this is a primer because it says primer. So, ooh, it's kind of sticky. Ooh, all right. I'm intrigued. If I happen to make a video after this, then we know this is not some sort of alien being, so that's cool. That's all I got. But anyway, so this is fun, and this is how much this is.
Oh.
Okay, my hand is really like aggressively sticky. Porno theater sticky. I don't like this. I'm waiting for my skin to like fuse together and then I'm like, bah! That's what I'm waiting for. All right, anyway, let's move on. Okay, so we're gonna talk about my childhood cookie fantasy, and this is the strawberry macaroon hand and body butter. This smells very fake sweet, and it's a cream, as you can tell. It's very creamy. Ooh, that's obnoxiously sweet. So the fact that I could smell that is kind of problematic because I don't have the strongest sense of smell. So if you do not like fake sugary shit, I don't recommend this one. For lotion, it feels nice. It feels fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it has a very distinct childhood smell that I don't know if I feel comfortable returning to. Awkward. Oh, you know, I'm such a dumb fuck. If I would have just flipped the pages more, I could have fucking known what everything is. All right, actually, let's back it up here. This is basically a liquid eyeshadow. This is basically a face primer that's hydrating and illuminating all in one. It feels like alien secretion. I'm into it. This guy, this is from the brand Balance Me, and this is a chemical facial exfoliant. So I'm intrigued to try that. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial to blemish-prone skin. You know, maybe I will not try this. Maybe I'll give this to Alex because he has blemish-prone skin. We all know what this is. We all know what this is. So I don't need to repeat myself. And then last but certainly not least, we have Elemis. Now, it appears you could have gotten one of two things. You could have gotten the Elemis one, or you could have gotten this other brand called Madeira. Yeah, Madeira, which I actually have never heard of, but that is a Hydra Recharge Cream. So in this box, what you get is, oh, another exfoliating facial cream. Got it. All right. So this is the Papaya Enzyme Peel. I really do love Elemis. I think they make some really fantastic products. So I am intrigued to try this one. By the way, this is how much this one cost. All right, so let's look at everything we got here. This is, fine. This, I'm actually kind of pleasantly surprised. It looks pretty fucking sick. So I'm definitely gonna try this one out. I'm intrigued to try the Alien Secretion. I think this could be fun. And it does have a weird feeling, but it did feel nice and hydrated on my hands. So let's give it a shot. This guy I'm gonna give to Alex, and I'm gonna definitely try the Elemis one, which I feel like I have tried a product similar to this. I don't know, sometimes Elemis products, all the packaging looks exactly the same. So maybe I've tried it, maybe I haven't. But this one I'm definitely gonna try. And then last but not least, we have the eco-friendly makeup wipes, which are super fucking exciting. So I have to say, I think this has been my favorite Look Fantastic box because I feel like I am able to utilize most of the products. I think the last box, it wasn't good. This one, pleasantly surprised. So actually, you know what? I wouldn't be mad if I received this. This isn't that bad. Glowing review. Oh, fuck me. Anyway, so if you are interested in checking out this box, please check the link in the description box where you can get your first box for $1 if you purchase a 12-month subscription. With that said, if you do get this box, let me know if you received these items or if you got something different. Also, let me know what other subscription boxes you would like for me to open. I love doing this because I love slamming stuff on a table. With that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this disgusting, delicious, trashy, disgusting, delicious, trashy garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. If you want to know what is currently on my hands, meaning my nail polish, everything will be listed in the description box along with this offer, my podcast, my merch, bloopity blop blop, and I'll see you little pumpkins later. I still can't figure out how to, I'm just gonna cup you just a little bit. Just be in the moment with me. Bye.